Long shot, long way
Oy,
back nakukuha, but good
bad.
anticipation by Bong Ravena. Ravena flips it to Todd Bernard. Nice fake there. He will miss. Ravena gets it back to Todd Bernard. Fancy passing. Pero foil pa rin para sa Mobiline foam pass, but JJ Halterbrand is down.
Holding on to his right thigh. Baka
Yes, may
natamaan siya
groin
doon.
area.
Yung drive siguro ni Todd Bernard na tamaan ng tuhod or
Sa
something.
tindi, biglang nalang upo sa hardcourt itong si JJ Halterbrand. Samantala, 32nd timeout. Ang hihingi po dito ng Barangay Ginebra Kings because dito sa nakalipas ng mga 4 minutes of play, kasama ng TJ, ito may nagpapalitan na naman ng lamang itong dalawa. At
Paghabol na rin ang Ginebra ng bagya.
Yes, and this 30, timeout means time for San Miglide, the low-calorie beer. Only $12.50 at a store near you.